Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to open a FundedNext account. Whether you're a beginner trader or looking to join a prop firm to get funded, this guide will walk you through everything from signing up to setting up your dashboard. Let's begin. Now, the first thing is open your web browser and go to FundedNext.com. This is going to be the official website of the FundedNext prop trading platform. From here, there is an option on the top right corner that says Login. If you click on it, you will be forwarded to a new page. At the bottom, you can see the option that says Register, and I want you to click on it. If you do, you will be forwarded to a new page. Creating an account here is a breeze. All you have to do is very simple. Provide all the information needed and click the Register button. And of course, you just have to follow the on-screen instructions. Now, once you've signed up, check your inbox for a verification email from FundedNext. Okay, so you might want to check your spam folder. Click the link inside to confirm your account because after verification, you will be redirected to the FundedNext dashboard. From here, you can explore the platform. You can view your account's balance, track your trading progress, join a challenge or competitions, or maybe an evaluation phase, and of course, manage your funded accounts once approved. Okay? And basically, that's it for today's video. Now you have successfully created and set up your FundedNext account. You are now one step closer to becoming a funded trader. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next one.